everyone, and welcome to the EZCast Office Series product launch event. I'm Sharon, your host for today, and it's great to have you with us as we introduce our newest products and explore how they are redefining workplace collaboration. For today's product launch, we will be covering three main topics. First, we'll take a look at the latest market insights on wireless collaboration. Second, we'll introduce our newly launched Office Series products. And finally, we'll hear from our valued customers as they share their real-world experiences. Now, we are honored to have Ray, Product Manager at EZCast, who will walk us through the market trends and share how EZCast is creating smarter, more seamless ways for teams to work together.
Hello everyone, I'm Ray. Before we get into the details of our new products, let's take a step back and look at the market trends shaping conferencing collaboration today. The modern workplace is transforming rapidly as organizations embrace flexible and remote work options and hybrid collaboration. The demand for interactive and engaging meetings continues to rise. From cross-functional workshops to strategic discussions, people now expect to share screens, annotate, and collaborate in real time. Globally, this transition has created both opportunities and challenges. Insights from Grand View Research indicate that the global video conferencing market continues to demonstrate momentum. It is expected to grow by a CAGR of 8.3% year-over-year in 2033 to reach nearly $24.5 billion in total market size. While the hardware segment holds nearly half of the deployment type, various research institutes observe that fewer than one-third of meeting rooms worldwide are equipped, let alone with proper devices. Moreover, many existing conferencing solutions come with a hidden barrier. They often require advanced IT support for setup and installation, making them costly and difficult to adopt. The root cause is that most systems aren't designed for teams to install and operate on their own, because the business model for video conferencing has never been a la carte, but rather a full package that customers will never fully utilize. This gap highlights two clear needs: accessible conferencing tools and wireless display solutions that make content sharing simple, seamless, and self-managed.
Thank you, Ray, for bringing attention to the challenges teams face in today's workplace. And that brings us to the real question. How can we work smarter, connect faster, and collaborate without limits? That's exactly what Office Series is here to do. Today, we're excited to introduce two solutions that will redefine the way teams work and communicate. Let's take a look.
In this product launch, Office Series has two main products that we want to share with you: Office Link and Office Sync. Office Link is centered around touchback control and IR switch feature, while Office Sync provides a wireless conferencing kit for quick and effortless setup. To start with, the first product we'd like to introduce is Office Link. In meetings, it's not just about connecting your screen to the display. It's about the overall flow. With Office Link, presenters can interact and control their devices directly, making transitions smooth and collaboration effortless. Now, let's take a closer look at the key features. At the core of Office Link is touchback control, allowing presenters to operate their laptop, tablet, or smartphone remotely with a touch panel, keyboard, or mouse. This way, you can stay engaged with your audience without walking back and forth to the screen. In order to accommodate different environments, Office Link offers two transmitter model types: a box model designed for permanent installation in meeting rooms, or a compact dongle for portable setups. This way, you can adapt the solution to fit your team's specific needs. What's more, it supports up to 8 transmitters at the same time. You can pair first and switch when team members take turns speaking in the meetings. They can easily share and present without interruptions, keeping group discussions smooth and productive. Finally, when it's time to switch speakers, it can be easier. With a simple IR remote, you can choose which source to cast with the remote controller. Now, Let's walk through how to set up Office Link. Inside the Office Link set, you will find a box receiver, a box transmitter, and a dongle transmitter. Starting with the receiver, there are 3 simple ways you can set it up. Most people will go with HDMI since it's the most common interface. In this case, the touch signal is transmitted over USB. So just add a USB cable to the touch panel's USB port. Connect the power supply, and you're ready to go. For older display devices, you can also use VGA together with a 3.5mm audio cable and USB-A for touch. This way, even legacy devices can be part of a modern wireless setup. Just remember, the receiver still requires its own power connection. And if you have a newer touchscreen that supports USB-C DP alt mode, it gets even easier. Just one USB-C cable handles both video and touch, plus the power for the receiver. Next is the box transmitter. It works in 2 straightforward ways, either through HDMI plus USB cable for remote touchback, or directly through USB-C DP alt mode, because DisplayPort supports video and control in one cable. In both cases, just connect the power supply and you're good to go. The dongle transmitter is the most convenient one for plug-and-play deployment. Plug it into any device with USB-C DP alt mode and it works right away. Many smartphones today also support desktop mode, and with Office Link, you can control them directly from the touch screen. Now, let's see how Office Link works in action. Once the setup is complete, you can control your laptop, tablet, or smartphone remotely using a touch panel, keyboard, or mouse. When multiple transmitters are connected, you can select any presenter directly with the IR remote. With Office Link, every connection path is designed to be flexible, intuitive, and quick, so you can adapt to any room or device without technical hassle.
After seeing how Office Link elevates our workplace experience, let's move on to the next product in today's lunch, Office Sync.
The second product is Office Sync, a true plug-and-play wireless video conferencing kit. Traditional AV systems often require long cables, wire runners, and even renovation work. However, with Office Sync, we remove all that complexity. With just 4 units, you're ready to host hybrid meetings, teach remotely, or present with ease. Now, let's take a closer look at the key features. At the core of Office Sync is simplicity. Deployment is quick and effortless. There are no drivers to install, no software to download, and you don't need IT support. In just a few minutes, you can plug it in, power it on, and you're ready to start. On top of that, it works seamlessly with platforms people already rely on: Zoom, Google Meet, Microsoft Teams, and even more. There's no need to change workflows or learn new systems. Office Sync would transmit the camera feed directly and wirelessly to your system. Also, it's not just about sharing your slides. Office Sync lets you broadcast both your desktop screen and your webcam feed at the same time. That way, your audience doesn't just see the file you prepare. They also see you, the presenter, which creates a more engaging experience. And finally, Office Sync runs on its own dedicated wireless network. It doesn't occupy Wi-Fi bandwidth that you're using, which keeps everything smooth and reliable. At the same time, your data remains secure and protected, so you can focus on your presentation without worrying about security issues. Now, let's dive into more details about these 4 units. In the Office Sync set, you can find 4 units. The biggest unit you can see here is called FX1. Think of it as the heart of the system. It sends and receives signals, just like the dispatch station. All you need to do is plug it into your laptop with either USB-C DP or HDMI cables. Next, we got the pair of FT1, which is a transmitter, and FU1, a small UVC to HDMI converter. FT1 captures the video feed from your USB camera, and FU1 turns it into a Wi-Fi signal to send it wirelessly. Finally, check FR1 out, the receiver. Just plug it into a TV or a monitor. Now let's put them all together and see how it works. Once connected, the camera feed first gets to the FU1 and FT1 will take over and convert the signal to send it straight to FX1, our main station, and the one plugged into the laptop. From there, the FX1 sends your whole laptop screen to FR1. And that's what shows up on the monitor for everyone in the room. Simply put, your camera streams to your laptop, and your laptop projects your screen monitor. Once you're done, open your conferencing software, Zoom, Google Meet, Teams, or any platform you prefer. The system enables you to share both your presentation slides and your webcam feed at the same time, creating an interactive and engaging experience for your audience. And the most important thing is, the entire system supports Full HD. Beyond that, we also support transmitter-receiver only mode. We know that not everyone brings a laptop to every meeting or classroom, so we designed another way to share. By connecting the UVC to HDMI converter FU1 to a DocCam, FT1 can transmit live video feed directly to FR1. It allows you to project document copies such as A4 handouts, sketches, or forms onto the big screen in real time. This galvanizes the way people present in classes, product demonstrations, and legal reviews, where paper still plays an essential role. With Office Sync, every detail is designed to make work seamless. From simple projection to interactive conferencing, it delivers clarity, speed, and ease of use.
Thank you, Ray, for the great introduction. So now that we know more about Office Link and Office Sync, it's time to see how these solutions are making an impact in real-world scenarios. To walk us through some practical applications, I'm excited to welcome Elroy, our sales manager at EZCast, who will be sharing insights on how different industries and teams are putting these solutions into practice.
Hello everyone, I'm Elroy, and I'm excited to be here today to talk about how the Office series is changing the way companies run their meetings. What we hear from customers across industries is clear. Hybrid work is no longer a just trend, it's a new norm. But many organizations still struggle with meeting room setups that are complicated, expensive, and slow to use. The Office series was created to solve exactly that, giving teams a simpler and smarter way to connect. And instead of me just telling you about it, we are honored to have GloryKylin and RCM Fully Automation here with us today. They will share their experience of how the Office series products have made their meetings more engaging and easier to start.
Hello everyone, I'm Sunny, an assistant manager at GloryKylin. GloryKylin was founded in 2015 with a focus on wireless audio and video transmission. And over the years, we have expanded to serve three main markets: home entertainment, business meetings, and education. Our mission is simple: to make life more convenient, work practice more efficient, and the learning more flexible. Guided by the belief in innovation in R&D, commitment to customers, we listen closely to users, turn their needs into practical solutions, and provide reliable support so that every product is user-friendly, intuitive, and trustworthy. Compared with other solutions we have seen, I would like to point out Office Sync. In many meeting rooms, we used to rely on traditional wire setups for video conferences that often met messy cables, limited flexibility, and even safety concerns. When we started using Office Sync, it brought true wireless freedom to video conferencing. Unlike other systems, it doesn't just cut the cord between the laptop and the screen. It also frees the camera from a receiver. That gives us the flexibility to place the camera wherever it works best, while keeping the room clean, professional, and organized. The setup was also a big advantage. We didn't need any IT support, just plug, play, and go. And even when a laptop isn't available, we can still run presentations in transmitter-receiver mode, with a document camera, making it possible to project physical documents directly on screen. That flexibility and ease of use make Office Sync a very cost-effective solution for us. So far, we have been using Office Sync in our meeting rooms, and it's been really convenient to place the camera wherever we need it. Without the limitation of cables, we can always adjust it to the best angle for the meeting. Sometimes when we want a specific person to face the camera and speak, we can simply move the camera right next to them, deciding exactly how much of the scene to include. It not only makes the setup cleaner and more flexible, but also gives everyone a smoother, more professional conferencing experience.
Thank you, Sunny. Now, let's welcome Joe, Sales Supervisor at RCM Fully Automation, to tell us more about their journey and the impact Office Series has made in their work.
Hello everyone, I'm Joe, Sales Representative at RCM Fully Automation, with about 9 years of experience in the industry. RCM Fully Automation is a member of A10 International, and we mainly focus on 2 business lines: smart factories, remote management, and professional AV system integration. Since the pandemic, many companies have been redesigning their meeting rooms and meet the rising demand for high-quality video conferencing. At RCM, we provide stable control systems that integrate hardware and software, and we customize the interface to make it easier and more efficient for users. Our service covers everything from consultation and planning to installation, training and maintenance, giving customers a complete one-stop solution. First, I would like to talk about Office Link. Unlike competing products that are often complex or unreliable, Office Link is truly plug and play. Offers flexible installation with 2 transmitter models to fit any meeting room. Includes touchback, support for interactive control, and most importantly, delivers the stability that is essential in wireless display. Moving on to Office Sync. It's a solution that really catches the attentions of system integrators. Other products are often too costly or limited to certain camera brands, which makes adoption difficult. Office Sync changes that by offering an affordable option with broad device compatibility, and it goes further by combining wireless presentation with wireless video conferencing in one system. This makes cooperation not only simpler but also more complete compared to other products on the market. We have received some great cases from meeting rooms of different sizes. At the headquarters of Samsung Scroll Factory, participants can present wirelessly without being restricted by power outlets, and the touchback function lets them control their laptops directly from the display. In a larger 40-person room at the same site, with movable furniture and quartz-tile flooring that makes wiring difficult, Office Link was selected. It enables flexible wireless presentation and easy source switching. Another example comes from an air conditioning distribution in Wugu, where an 8-person meeting room uses Office Sync with a 75-inch TV and ever conferencing equipment. Participants connect their laptops wirelessly for both screen sharing and video conferencing.
Thank you, GloryKylin and RCM Fully Automation. At EZCast, partnerships like this go beyond just delivering end products. We also offer collaboration on SoC chip integration and module solutions, giving our partners the flexibility to embed EZCast technology directly into their own products.
Thank you, Elroy, and our partners. Wireless is shaping the future of workplaces. As teams connect and businesses look for smarter collaboration, seamless wireless solution will play a more important role. With our Office Series products, we're moving forward together, unlocking the full potential of wireless collaboration and creating new value for every business. That concludes our Office Series product launch event. Thank you for joining us today. If you'd like to know more about our products or are interested in becoming a partner, please feel free to contact us at EZCast.com or simply leave a message through the QR code. Thanks again for being with us, and we look forward to seeing you at the next event.